Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll share with you another brand new super early testnet airdrop, and the name of the project is Unicity. They are a brand new project, which you can notice when you see they only have 2.4k followers right now. As for the funding, they have already raised 3 million and are backed by Blockchain Ventures, Outlier Ventures and Tawasal. So what is Unicity building? Their tagline is agentic marketplaces at machine speed. So in simple terms, Unicity builds autonomous AI agents that transact and interact directly without human intervention. If you want more information, then you can visit their website. I'll show you step by step how you can participate, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future airdrops. Also, most importantly, you need to join our Telegram channel where I share almost all crypto airdrop updates. All links are in the description, so check them out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide the Telegram post link in the video description. So after you come to this page, first you need to create a wallet. So click on create new wallet. Then it asks you to choose a Unicity ID. So choose any name you want. Then click on continue. Then wait a bit while it sets up your wallet. After completing the setup, click on let's go. And your wallet is ready. To secure your wallet, click on these three dots, then click on backup wallet, then click on show recovery phrases, and here you will find your secret phrases. Make sure to write this down or save it in a secure place. Then here what you need to do is claim the testnet faucet. For that, click here on top up. Then here you will see the faucet option. Simply click on request all coins. Within a few seconds you will receive all testnet tokens. If you want, you can request multiple times as well. Also here you will see the payment request option. Here you can send tokens to other testnet users. Simply you need to put your friend's ID here, click on continue. Then choose the tokens you want to send. So I'll select Solana. Then enter your amount. For example, let's enter 5. Then click on review. Then click on send and done. Then here you also find the swap option where you need to swap testnet tokens. So from here select the token you want to send. Let's select Ethereum. Then here enter your amount. So let's put 10. In the tow section, choose the other token you want to swap to. Let's select Solana. Then click on swap tokens, and after around 10 to 15 seconds it will be completed. So you can test these daily with different tokens. Also here is the send option. Simply you can enter your friend's ID to send tokens. Then here is the message section. You can start a conversation with your friends and others. Simply enter your friend's ID here, then click on start chat. Then here you can send any message you want. Also here you will find the group section. As this is new, there are not many users joined right now. You can find and join groups later. Then also Unicity has its Discord server. You need to join. I'll provide the link in the video description. So you need to accept the invite. Then click on complete. Then agree to the terms and submit. Then click on verification. And then tap on the tick mark. And you will be verified. So try to stay active in the Discord community to earn roles. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask in the comment section. Please like and share this video, and if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.